Careful, Sonona, sit down. Sit down. You're going to fall. Sit down. Sit down. Easy, sit down. You're going to fall, Lily. Come on, Mommy, hold your hand. Come on, ready? Go. Come on, I'll hold your hand. Mommy, hold your hand. Come on. Come on. Mommy got your hand ready. 1, 2, 3. Go! Now, Mommy, see you okay? Did Mommy wipe your face? She did it by herself. I don't know if she'll do it again though. That's the second time and she didn't like it. Say, come on, Sissy, sit! Tell Sissy, sit!
This is cold water.